Good morning, professors and my fellow students. I am Jeremiah Otokwaja by name. I'm a representative of Cof Tech Company Limited. So Cof Tech Company is a process company responsible for designing a sustainable system for CO2 capture. New regulations on CO2 emission. If you can reminisce, in May 17, 2023, the European Union implemented the tax per tons of CO2 emitted from any industry responsible for conversion of raw materials into value-added products. So in 2024, being this year, each tons of CO2 emitted cost about $55, and it is estimated to have increased by 9.4%, which results to like $139 per tons in 2040. So that is that about the European Union. Coming down to Thailand, PPT, which happens to operate in a monopoly, which has operating the upstream, also in the midstream company, also emits about 10.13 million tons of CO2 just in 2023. So comparing that amount with this current price, with this current tax, which is $55, it results to over $0.4 billion is being spent by PPT. And this amount spent is in line with, in order to maintain the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDG 12 and 13 respectively, which works along with the Paris Agreement. Now, CO2 emission has both environmental and its global effects, which has caused climate change as a result, also result to increase in mortality rate. If you can see there's a graphical illustration showing the quantity of CO2 emitted. So from 1990 to about 2024, over 15 gigatons of CO2 is being emitted to the environment. And it is estimated to must have increased to over 18 gigatons in 2014. And this increase in CO2 emission has resulted to deaths and increase in mortality rate. If you can check, there's a bar chart there explicitly revealing to us about the increase in mortality rate and also increase in cardiovascular diseases and also cancers, which is as a result of the effect of CO2 emission. Now, we have almost all the processing companies, PPT and many other upstream and midstream companies. They use analog system for CO2 capture. Now, we have designed a sustainable process, which is using the covalent organic framework alongside with the vacuum pressure swing absorption process. So from our design so far and comparison with the manufacturing industries, we discovered that our process system design has a very high rate of CO2 capture, and also its operating condition is ambient. That means it operates at a normal temperature and pressure. And then also it has a very high absorption capacity also, or absorption performance is high compared to other industries. And also the adsorbents regeneration occur at normal and ambient condition, which is at 98.15 kV and 1 bar, while the adsorbent regeneration in almost all the upstream and midstream company occur at a very high temperature and pressure. And then also, in terms of the total energy consumption, we discovered that our total energy consumption is low compared to other midstream and upstream companies. Now, we have designed a solution, and this is a uniquely wonderful solution here. We use the equivalent organic framework, just like how I said, with the vacuum pressure swing absorption process. So if you can check there's a reactor, and then also we use an adsorbent, which I told you is covalent organic frameworks inside the reactor, which helps in removing it helps in purifying the CO2 emitted from industry into a value-added product of CO2, which is pure and which has no environmental effects. Then also, our performance was also tested using Aspen ICs and other software, and it is designed to have a low energy consumption And then also the CO2 recovered is high. And then so we have produced also a highly specified CO2 of like 99.79% precisely. Now we go to our competitors. Our competitors happens to be upstream, midstream companies. Now, if you can check our company, our technology, I told you is using Cof PSC, and then also others use like direct air capture, absorption, and direct air capture process used by Saipem, midstream, and also manufacturing industry. And also our energy consumption or energy capture, just like I said, is low in comparison to other companies. And then the CO2 capture efficiency is high, which is 99.79% precisely. And then also the cost per CO2 capture is lower compared to other companies, and it is eco-friendly. So now, who are our target customers? We have customers all around in the upstream and midstream companies, and our major target is the oil and gas industry, which uses CO2 for advanced oil recovery and helps in processing of natural gas into value-added products.
Okay, after we mention in our product, okay, next we will show our key partner. First Cof material supplier and system supplier and research institutions such as Chulalongkorn University and regulatory body and government agencies such as TGO and installation companies such as mechanical company and transportation company to make product base. Okay, and our service overall is product design development, manufacturing in Cof absorbent and vapor pressure swing absorption system installation and maintaining. Moreover, we will get process consultant. Okay, milestone in company. Okay, first year we focus on installation and research and development, and second year we will get to the first customer group is around for company and in third year we will go to 6 company, and 7th year we will so 7 company, and we will develop the product more, and 5 year we will the leadership of tech in Thailand, and in 6 year we go outside to Thailand to Asia Pacific region and the world. Okay, in the financial company, first of all, we will need 60 million baht to start our project, and payback period is around 3 year, and net profit is more than 300 million baht in 6 years. Okay, first, okay, tomorrow to ensure our feasibility, we will next to market feasibility. Okay, total available market is more than it's around $6 billion. It's global carbon capture market, and in Thailand it's around $94 million, and service available market that our company can achieve is for $4.7 million, and the AGR is more than 20%. Okay, our team have many expertise in various field, and we will the best carbon dioxide capture in Thailand in 5 years. Choose us for leadership in sustainability. Thank you.